nasikia is not to know about that.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular, regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty from my cellular. No. You don't say you hot, no.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. Cause I got cars around the world. Just need to hit the ground. I need to come in with that camera. Oh, DJ, turn the sound up. If you got the part around that. You know what I have to make it jump, jump, jump.
Hi guys, I have finished making the fries. Oh no. Let me just remove my laptop here. This is like something I like doing with my fries. Quick action view when it's still like hot. And just shake it. I think people can see me from outside. Yeah. And then they're like done. I think I want my fries to be like this, but a simple hack, if you want like very tasty fries, you can like just add paprika. Goodness, like literally sijakula leo yote. Paprika, add a bit of garlic, kiasi tu, and black pepper. Kwa napenda pilipili. This hii process lazima like ufanye mbio kama like nasikia kusneeze kama like kama bado like fries zako ziko yeah, and tada.
We can't just be talking about it. I want you from inside it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. I know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
Hi guys, so today is on Friday, the 7th, 8th. On 8th, and I am going home. Oh my days, nimekuwa na a long week, like a long week. I've had cuts every day of this week. And I have another one today in the evening at around 7, so I need to like hurry ndo nifike kwa nyumba in good time. Yeah, it's an online one, but like yeah, leo asubuhi bounce. Kind of thank God because in umbrella and it was raining, pouring. Yeah, so it bounced, so like thank God. I don't know how long I've had this hair for. Then I look and check my TikTok and I'm like, I don't know. Maybe 3 weeks. I was thinking 4, but maybe 3. But like yeah, I'm just going to like remove it because I don't want to like maintain the curls anymore. And yeah, and my nails are off. Nilitoa lashes jana. My toenails not looking that bad, but like they could be better. Yeah, so like I'll talk to you guys later, probably not today, probably tomorrow, because I think I'll go for my appointment tomorrow or on Sunday, or like yeah, just whenever. Scalp yangu si imepita, unajua nimeshika back to back with her, hata sijaipia break.
Show ya, show me the car where you turn me on, where you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stuck.
For memories. 18th of November, first lesson over. Not first lesson, last lesson. Ooh, tell my vlog something. The last day of the last class for advanced 4.1. Period.
I understand how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I like it how I rock it from behind. I understand how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, hold on to me. Golden copper, no get to you clean and proper. Where I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Ask, baby, turn it down like it's sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show me the car where you turn me on, where you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you do that.
Why you tryna find the pieces when you rip it off? Why I go when you sit when you take it off? And you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
I'm using my front camera. I don't want to do like a whole setup. It's on Friday the 7th, 6th. Near 5 in the AM, and I'm trying to fix my laptop. The display is not functioning. Man, ileta kufanya jana morning whilst I was getting ready. I was getting ready for like school. So like nilikuwa nasoma and then ikacha kufanya, and now I've tried fixing it using a couple methods I work. So I'm here trying to like remove this hard casing. Hapa nyuma 2 missing or 4 missing screws. I don't know how I don't Man up and breathe. Tunajua ni kitu rahisi juu it's just the display. Acha ni focus na feel sana around people na feel overwhelmed.